Good morning, student. Today I am going to throw light on services marketing. Services. First, we have to understand what is service. Service is an act. Service is an act or performance that one partially can offer to another that is essentially intangible and does not result in any ownership of anything. Its production may be not be tied to physical products. So, from this definition, which is given by Philip Kotler, one thing is clear that services are intangible in nature. There is no physical existence of services. We need the services of doctors, the services of lawyers, and other persons in order to meet or in order to do our day to day work. Suppose we have to file a income tax return or ITR, then we need, if we are not experienced or if we don't have any experience of income tax laws, then we have to take the services of income tax lawyers. They can file our ITR on the basis of the income we have earned in a financial years. So it is based on relationship and values. It may be used a market and service product. Then why we need to study the services marketing? The survey to be done by student for identifying industries where servicing customers are utmost relevance. So in day to day life, what is happening? We are taking the services. We are taking the services of a different service provider. Like we are taking the services of the Zio. We are taking the services of Vodafone. We are taking the services of, or the prospective customer is taking the services of doctors, lawyers, in order to retain the customers, in order to understand the customer behavior, or in order to look for the new markets. We have to see how the customer is behaving in relation with the services sectors. So we have to study the services marketing in order to explore the new markets, in order to increase the demand in the market. Why do we need to study services marketing? The following points can highlight that we need to study the services marketing. Number one is changing lifestyle, development of corporate culture, jogging gym centers, adapting Western culture, foreign brands, increasing literacy rate, professionalism in education, information explosion, government regulations, consumer protections, KYC. Major reasons for growth of services sector in India. In recent times, the services sector is increasing at a very fast pace. After the liberalizations in the year 1991, the contribution of service sector is continuously increasing in the growth of our economy. However, agriculture is still dominating the Indian economy. Service sector are growing not only in volume but also in sophistications and complexity. The growth of service industry is the result of combination of several reasons. They are major reason for growth of service sector in India. The service sector contributions the most of the Indian GDP. The sector of service the sector of services in India has the biggest share in the country's GDP. It accounts for more than 50% contribution. The various sectors under the services sector in India are construction, trade, hotel, transport, restaurant, communication and storage, social and personal services, community insurance, financial business service and real estate. Reason for growth in service sector: increase of affluence, wealth, more leisure, free time, greater life expectancy, hope, greater complexity of the product, higher percentage of working women, increasing complexity of life, increasing number of new products. Characteristics of service marketing: The characteristics of service marketing are discussed in below point. Number one is intangibility. Intangibility means which is not physically in existence, which you cannot see, you can only feel the services. Inseparability means they cannot be separated. Variability means they are keep on changing. Perishability means you cannot store them in a place. Intangibility. The first point is intangibility. Services are intangible, means it cannot be seen, tasted, felt, heard, or smelled before purchase. Evaluation is a challenge. Intangibility used in marketing to describe the intangibility to accept the value gained by the engaging in an activity using an intangible evidence. It draw interference about place, people, equipment, communication material, symbol, and price. Inseparability. Services are produced and consumed simultaneously. Provide client interaction in a special feature of service marketing. Inseparability. Key quality of services distinct from goods. Alive threat performance makeovers. Variability. It is otherwise called heterogeneity. Services are highly variable. The state characteristics of being variable. Example, service firms. A car service varies each time. McDonald's consumers may be standardized, but a weekday or a weekend may be different. Perishability used in marketing to describe the way in which services capacity cannot be stored for sales in future. Service can be stored a 100-meter race in Olympics 4 years. Check your medley. Example, when Michelle goes to her local restaurant, she sometimes get her food at and hot. Other times her orders is slow and her food arrive at her table cold. If Michelle want a special order like a burger with a baked potato instead of fries, she never know how long she will have to wait for her food. Michelle is experiencing the service characteristics of intangibility, inseparability, variability, and perishability. The above example is showing that the services have intangibility character, inseparability characters, and variability character and perishability characters. Some services from banking, stock broking, we have some service providing firms which are given below in the slides. They are showing that they are providing the services to its prospective clients. Number one is banking, stockbroking, restaurant, bar, catering, insurance, news and entertainment, healthcare, education, professional architecture and consulting, wholesaling, retailing. All the examples belongs to the service sector firms. Services marketing mix. Services marketing mix 7 P's of services. The services marketing mix is consists of 7 P's. These are discussed below. Number 1 is product. Number 2 is price. Number 3 is place. Number 4 is promotion. Number 5 is people. Number 6 is process. And finally, number 7 is physical evidence. Factors affecting development of service marketing. The service sectors or the development of service sector is affected by the following mentioned points. Number 1 is organized and structure. Number 2 is regulatory bodies. Number 3 is growth in service industries. Number 4 is customer employee interaction. Number 5 is service quality. And finally, specific sectors. Myths about the services. We have different myths about the service sector which is discussed below. Low value misconception, low capital interest, small scale view cannot provide wealth, cost. The figure 12.1 is describing the services marketing triangle with the help of the diagrams. Service marketing tangible applications. Focus on an service organization in context. You are focusing on what occupies each of these points of the triangle. How each type of marketing being carried out currently. Are there three sides of triangle well aligned. Internal marketing. Internal marketing is the side of triangle between your organization and your employees. Provide service to customer. Educate training on the services to be delivered. Customer satisfaction service techniques involved with your employees. Performance reward system for the employees who deliver the high level of customer services. External marketing. External marketing goes from your business organization out to customers and prospective customers. Traditional form of business marketing, how the service provided by you, your business benefit the customer. External marketing include advertising your websites and your company's social media efforts. Fill the business pipeline with future business. Interactive marketing, the slide of the triangle between your employees and customer is called the interactive marketing. How your employees deliver the services to your company provides. Goal is to have highly satisfied customers who become long-term repeat customers. Effectiveness of interactive marketing relate back to internal marketing efforts of your business. How your employees keep the promise made by you. External marketing effects. Ways to use the service marketing triangle. Overall strategic assessment, how is the service organized doing on all three sides of triangle, where are the weaknesses, what are the strengths, specific services implementation, what is being promoted and by whom, how will it be delivered and by whom, are the supporting system is placed to deliver the promised services. Today's lecture on the services marketing is over. Please get back to me if you have any questions. Thank you.